Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth zoom transition using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on my CapCut application. And as you can see, I have imported some photos to this project. And then I'm going to create smooth zoom transition for this editing. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to add audio and I'm going to go to the sounds and then I'm going to use audio from CapCut, for example this one, and I'm going to match the transition with the audio beat. So I'm going to add beat. We can go to the beats menu and then I'm going to use Autogenerate and then I'm going to reduce the intensity. Okay, for example like this, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to cut my photo according to the bit mark like this. Okay, you can cut it one by one according to the beats. Okay, you can click on your photo or your video and then you can split and delete like this, and then split and delete. Okay, and now it's time to create the smooth zoom transition. We can use keyframe guys. You can select your clip and then add keyframe. Okay, add 2 keyframes to the photo or video, and then you're going to zoom in like this. Okay, and then you're going to add grab. You can choose cubic out, okay, like this, and then you can repeat this tab for all the clips. Zoom in and then add grab and choose this grab. Okay, and then since this is just for the example, I'm not gonna do for all my clips. Okay, just one more time like this, and add grab and choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add transition. I'm going to choose the blur transition. Okay, you can choose blur or the lens blur. I'm going to use this one. Click on the check mark and wait. I'm going to apply this transition to all clips. Okay, and this is the result like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth zoom transition using CapCut. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.